A night of restful sleep is an elusive goal for many campers. Sometimes, some of them can't even fall asleep due to the ground temperature, annoyance caused by pesky critters, and many more reasons. However, a camping cot can give you relief from tolerating such problems. It keeps you a bit up above the ground, offers comfort and protection. But not all cots provide the same benefits. Therefore, in today's video, we've talked about the 5 best camping cots in 2021 and the best camping cot on Amazon based on their key features. So without wasting any more time, let's roll the intro.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Our camping cot list begins with the tent cot, titled Kamp-Rite Oversize Tent Cot, which stands 11 inches above the ground and brings unparalleled comfort with its enlarged sleeping area. This camp cot is made from heavy-duty 190T nylon, ensuring ultimate comfort and longevity, unlike traditional cots. Besides, it's got powder-coated aluminum steel frames, offering excellent stability and protection from ground insects. This cot features no-see mesh on windows and doors for ventilation and, of course, critter protection. The sturdy camping cot contains a unique, multi-function hinge design, allowing you to use it as a lawn chair for relaxation purposes and a standard style cot for stargazing and sleeping. This 32-pound cot can surprisingly endure heavy user weights of up to 350 pounds. Lastly, it comes with a rainfly and heavy-duty carry bag for added convenience. Overall, this Kamp-Rite oversized tent cot has a durable construction and offers ample headroom, space, and protection, making it one of the best off-ground shelters that let you experience a sound sleep in the wilderness. Designed to support heavy loads and provide elevated comfort, the Coleman Airbed Cot Twin leaves many traditional cots far behind. This inflatable cot comes in a package including a side table with a cup holder, air mattress, and a battery pump. The side table has strong steel frames which are foldable and support easy packing and carrying. Now let's talk about the salient feature, which is the air mattress. You can inflate it with the 40 battery pump cell. Unlike many other airbeds, this one stays inflated all night long thanks to its leak-proof airtight system. And due to its comfort-strong construction, you will enjoy optimum comfort for an extended period. Although this inflatable cot is filled with air, it can tolerate heavy weights of up to 300 pounds. Finally, this airbed height is around 23.5 inches, which allows for easy getting in and out. In conclusion, the Coleman Airbed Cot Twin has an innovative design and is ideal for campers who prefer sleeping raised above pesky insects while experiencing ultimate comfort. When you want to change your sleeping experience during camping, this HelinoxLite can help you out. It is quite expensive yet offers many valuable features like easy installation, light construction, and a collapsible design. This light camp cot seat is made out of heavy-duty polyester ripstop that delivers maximum comfort and support and prevents damage from weather. This camping cot has an advanced architecture. It's got aircraft-grade DAC aluminum frames offering excellent strength to support your body weight. After accommodating 265 pounds of weight, this cot remains stable on the ground. Each press-feed lug system is easy to use, that provides impressive tension and support while keeping the overall weight to just 2.64 pounds. As a result, you can conveniently carry it around right after folding and packing it inside the carry bag. All in all, if you're searching for a lightweight, durable, and comfortable camping cot to have a restful sleep in the great outdoors, this HelinoxLite requires your attention. Featuring a modular and space-saving design, offering bench and bunk facilities and accommodating more than one camper, this Discobed XL serves the same performance as a home bed but outdoors. This one is, in a sense, a package of two single camping cots. They offer you the freedom of views, which means you can set them as bench, you can bunk them for two-person use, and you can use them separately. Both cots have solid and durable fabric, 600 dinar polyester and PVC coated. The material ensures maximum comfort for prolonged outdoor use. These camping cots can tolerate a massive user's weight of around 500 pounds thanks to their powder-coated steel frames. These frames are rust-resistant and provide excellent tension and support, resulting in maximum load-bearing capacity. Additionally, each cot comes with organizers that allow for easy access to your gear. The camping cot also features a convenient zippered storage bag for transportation. All said, the Discobed XL blasts with many striking features take your group camping trip to a whole new level. As our overall best option, we've selected this Teton Sports Outfitter XXL, which is crafted from premium quality materials and offers the best performance that you'll need the most for sound sleep outdoors. Made from 600 dinars brushed poly canvas, this cot ensures maximum comfort and durability. Besides, this fabric is super easy to clean and it dries fast. Like the most standard cots, this one also features rugged and durable aluminum frames which are a breeze to set up and can endure a high load of up to 600 pounds. And to provide additional support, this camping cot comes with a patented steel S-leg design. Last but not least, this cot weighs only 26 pounds, so carrying it anywhere will not be tiresome to you. In summary, with super strong frames and a highly durable and comfortable bed, this Teton Sports Outfitter XXL will offer you precisely what you need for relaxation after spending busy hours doing camp chores. So that was all about the 5 best camping cots in 2021 and best camping cot on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.